Good evening, students. Today I will solve some problems of exercise 8.3 in NCERT class 10 books. Students, previous class we have solved some problems of exercise 8.2. Now we are going to solve some problems of 8.3. Let us start with question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 upon cos 72. Students, look at this point. Sin 18 upon cos 72. We have to find the value of this trigonometric ratios. You can write sin 18 as, you can form sin to cos, or cos can be converted to sin. Let's start with sin can be converted to cos. How it will be converted? Sin 18 can be written as sin 90 minus 72. Sin 90 minus 72 is sin 18. No change in cos 72. Cos 72 remains same as cos 72. That is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. That is cos 72 upon cos 72. Same numerator and denominator cancel is 1. Answer is 1. Take screenshot. Second bit question number 1. Tan 26 upon cot 64. Also we can convert tan to cot or cot to tan. We can write tan 26 written as tan 90 minus 64 upon tan 64. Denominator is same as tan 64. Now students, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is cot 64. Cot 64 upon cot 64. That is 1. Next question 2. Question 2 students. Question 2 asks that, so that tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67, which is 1. Look at tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 is 1. If we convert tan 48 and tan 23 to cot, then tan into cot, that is 1. So tan 48 can be written as tan 90 minus 42, can be written as tan 23 also written as tan 90 minus 67. Next, tan 42 and tan 67 remain same. We can write tan 42 into tan 67. Now students, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is cot 42. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Students, we have well known that cot theta into tan theta is 1. We have known that cot theta into tan theta is 1. So cot 45 into tan 45 is 1. Cot 67 into tan 67 is 1. Your answer is 1. Take screenshot. Is RHS. Double bit cos 68 cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is 0. Let us start with the LHS. Write down cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Students, we can convert cos to sin or sin to cos. Starts with cos can be converted to sin. By how? This can be converted into 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus 52, which is cos 38. Cos 52 can be written as cos 90 minus 38 minus sin 38 into sin 52 remains same. Minus sin 38 into sin 52. Students, look at cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 52. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 38. Sin minus sin 38 into sin 52. Sin 38 into sin 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Plus minus cancel, that is 0, which is RHS successful been proved. Take screenshot. Students, next question 3. If tan 2a is cot a minus 18, where a is an acute angle, find a. Students, what are given? If tan 2a is cot a minus 18, where a is an acute angle, that means value of a is in below 90 degree, then find the value of a. Let us start with, you can write tan 2a cot a minus 18. This can be written as tan 90 minus a minus 18, which is tan 90 minus, this can be taken as theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Both side tan is same, so 2a is equal to minus a plus 18. Minus a plus 18. 90, 2a is equal 90 minus a plus 18, which is 2a plus a is 108, 3a is 108, a is 108 upon 3, 36 degree. Students, tan 2a, this cot a minus 18 can be written as tan 90 minus a minus 18. 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So, both side tan. So, 2a is 90 minus a minus 18 equal 90 minus a minus minus plus 18. So, minus a, take side change to LHS. So, 2a plus a is 90 plus 18, 108. 3a is 108, a is 108 upon 3, that is 36. Your answer. The value of a is 36. Next question. Question number 4 said that if tan a equal to cot b, prove that tan a plus b 90. If tan a is cot b, we have to prove tan a plus b is 90. Let's start with tan a cot b can be written as tan 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So both side tan, that implies a is equal 90 minus b. A plus b is 90 proof. Minus b take side change, a plus b is 90. Very simple. Take screenshot. Student, number 5 say that if sec a is cosec a minus 20, where a is an acute angle, find a. Similar question to number 3. Question 5 says that if sec a is cosec a minus 20, then find the value of a. Student, we can write sec a. Cosec a minus 20 can be written as sec 90 minus a minus 20. That can be sec. Both sides sec are present, so a is equal 90 minus a plus 20. A minus a takes side change. Plus a is 110. 2a is 110. A is 110 by 2, that is 55 degree. Got my point? Text screenshot.